We are doing the fifth question of 11.2 exercise now, and in the question they have given capital Fx. Capital Fx is given in this particular format, and you are asked to find the small f, and after that some probabilities, of course. So for that, first what you have to do is find small fx, and looking at the table you have to understand these things. Say from minus infinity to minus 1 there is no probability at all. That is why capital F is 0 there. So minus 1 is the least value. So minus infinity to minus 1 there is no value. And the values, the x value starts from minus 1 and it moves on up to plus 3. So first value 0.15 will be the probability for minus 1. That is why I have written f of minus 1.5, and 0 to 1, that means up to 1. Up to 1 it is 0.35. So up to 0 it is 0.15, up to 1 it is 0.35. So for the value for f0 should be 0.35 minus 0.15, the difference. There we add and write, and here we take difference. Then similarly up to 2 it is 0.6. So that means from 1 to 2, 0.6 means up to 1, f1 will be 6.60 minus 0.35. So like that we keep subtracting and find f2 as the difference between 0.85 and 0.60, and f3 will be 1 minus 0.85. And the tabular column minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 are the x values and the corresponding probabilities that we have calculated. And just to make sure that everything is alright, we just add them and find sigma f or sigma pi, whatever you can call it, it is 1. So what we have listed here is the correct values, and so we proceed further. There are two subdivisions. One is probability of x less than 1. For any discrete random variable, they ask like this. When they ask like this, we take the values which are less than 1 and their probabilities and add them up. So less than 1 means only two values from the table. One is minus 1 and the other is 0. So probability of minus 1 plus probability of 0, which is 0.5 plus 0.20, that is 0.35. And the next subdivision number 3 is p of x greater than or equal to 2. That means x should be either equal to 2 or greater than 2. That means p of x is 2 plus p of x is 3. Up to 3 only we have, isn't it? So the last probability values 0.25 and 0.15 should be added. 0.25 plus 0.15 is 0.40. So that's all with the fifth problem. And in the sixth question you are given a tabular column. In the tabular column you have the x values as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the x values, and the probabilities are given in terms of k square, 2k square, 3k square, 2k, 3k. These are the probabilities, and you are asked to find the value for k and then find some probabilities which they have asked. So if for finding the probabilities we definitely need the value of k. So first step, as they have asked, is to find k. So for that we use the concept that if this given function is a probability mass function, total probability should be 1. So that means k square plus 2k square plus 3k square plus 2k plus 3k is equal to 1, which means 6k square plus 5k minus 1 equal to 0. So it's a quadratic equation in k, and we factorize the left hand side. We get it as k plus 1 into 6k minus 1. Sum plus 5 and product minus 6 means this will be the way. So k should be either minus 1 or 1 by 6. Since it's a probability mass function, and if k becomes minus 1, some of the probabilities will become negative, which is not possible. As we all know, probability values should always be from 0 to 1. Therefore k should be 1 by 6. And now they are asking you to find probability of x lying between 2 and 5, where there is an equal to sign on the side of 2. That means probability of x is starting from 2 and less than 5. So the values are 2, 3 and 4. P of x equal to 2 plus P of x equal to 3 plus P of x equal to 4. And those probabilities according to the table are 2k square plus 3k square plus 2k, which means 5k square plus 2k. So for k we substitute 1 by 6, we get 5 by 36. 5 into 1 by 36, 5 by 36 plus 2 into 1 by 6, 2 by 6. Taking LCM, we get it as 17 by 36. Subdivision 3 will be followed in the next video.